Astronomers have discovered a supermassive black hole's erratic behavior, termed hiccuping, caused by a smaller black hole's disturbances. Located 800 million light-years away, this giant, equivalent to 50 million suns, unexpectedly brightened, revealing a novel black hole activity. Researchers believe the smaller black hole periodically crashes through the larger ones surrounding gas and dust disk, sparking these hiccups. This phenomenon challenges existing theories about black hole environments, suggesting accretion disks might be more complex, possibly housing smaller black holes. This groundbreaking observation, made possible by global telescopes and space-based X-ray observatories, opens new avenues for understanding black hole dynamics and interactions within galaxies.